In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a record in Airtable. Whether you're cleaning up your database or removing outdated information, knowing how to properly delete records is essential for maintaining an organized workspace. Let's dive right in and go through the steps together to ensure you can confidently manage your Airtable environment. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Airtable website. Make sure you're on a computer with internet access and open a web browser of your choice. Once you're there, you'll notice a button labeled Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In. This will prompt you to log into your Airtable account. If you haven't signed into your account already, enter your login credentials. If this is set to remember you, it might automatically log you in. After you successfully sign in, you may need to hit Continue depending on your account's security settings or if there's any additional verification required. Now that you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to your dashboard where all your bases are listed. The term bases in Airtable refers to your databases, which contain the information you've organized into tables. Now find the base table you want to work within. Clicking on it will open up a view of your organized data arranged in rows and columns. Your goal here is to identify and select the particular records you intend to delete. Once you've spotted them, click to select these records. Selecting multiple records might require a bit of additional navigation, so take your time to ensure you've selected exactly what you aim to delete. After selecting the records, you move on to the next step, which involves clicking on the Delete Field option. This step is crucial, so be careful to only delete the records you no longer need. Airtable might show a dialog box warning if the record you're trying to remove is synced with another table or field. This safety measure is there to help prevent accidental data loss across linked tables. In such a case, you should confirm the deletion in the dialog box. If you're looking to delete multiple records at once, highlight the records you want removed, then proceed to click on Delete All Selected Projects. This action will allow you to efficiently manage your data without needing to delete each record one by one. Remember, once records are deleted in Airtable, they cannot be easily restored, so double check your selections before proceeding with the deletion. And there you have it, a straightforward method to delete records in Airtable. Whether you're tidying up or making major database changes, these steps will help you maintain optimal organization in your digital workspace. Thank you for watching, and be sure to manage your Airtable data with care.